What's up, guys? It's Robinson here from 1upmedia. Um, I'm the resident Nintendo Switch expert or a Switchspert here at 1upmedia, and really happy to be doing my first review. I'll get this out of the way. Today we're reviewing the charger cable for the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. As you might be aware, the Nintendo Switch Pro controller is the Pro controller you can buy for the Nintendo Switch. I found it really useful for Super Smash Brothers, getting, tighter control. A lot of people have covered the controller itself, but not many people have talked about the cable. Now, I will apologize for the shakiness here. I have a disease that causes this. So the cable here, it's USB-C. You have a little, I don't know if you can see that, but you have a little Nintendo logo on the end there, which is a really nice touch. Standard, a big USB at the end. You plug it in, it charges the cable, you can unplug it pretty easily, and you can also plug it back in really easily, which is really good for when, you need to charge your cable on the go, and charge the controller on the go. Anyway, that's it from me. Thanks so much for watching 1upmedia. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you'll be hearing more from us really soon.